Hello, how do you pick thread for sewing clothing? So we have an example here. I have those fabrics that my kids pick that I'm going to sew pants for them, but what are the thread that I'm going to use to sew them? I'm going to go through a thread that I have on hand that I'm using, and I will compare them, and I'm not going to use this for that, but I have the brown, and the brown will work well for it. Is it beige? I think it's beige or light brown, but that will be the thread for this one, because I don't have thread, different colors thread in my, like for sewing. I just like to have, you know, the regular colors that I can work with. Therefore, and I think I have black there too, so I'm going to look at the colors that I have to see the closest to what I'm going to, the closest to the fabric. So we have blue here, and this blue is darker than this blue here, but that's what we will use for it. As for the green, we do not have green, and this blue won't work either. I will have to decide, but I think I'll just go with the black, but green will take green. But it's good to just put the thread on the fabric and see how it looks with it. For things you are going to sew that you are not going to top stitch a lot, if you pick a color that is now close to the fabric, that will be fine. But for things you are going to top stitch a lot, it'll be good to choose a color that will blend in. But again, I'm working with the colors that I have on hand, and we do not have green, so I'll just go with black on that. And their pants, there will be some top stitching at the waist and at the hem, but that will be pretty much it, so they should be fine. But in overall, this one has a good, the beige will work great for it. The navy blue with this one will be fine as well. This is darker, but I think that's okay. At least what we have, that will be that, and we can just use black for that. It's not the best colors, but it will work for us. So it is okay if you do not have the exact color in your stash. You just have to see the closest you have that you can work with. The red could work, but I prefer the brown for that, and that's the brown that I'm going to use. So that's pretty much, after them, my children picking the fabrics I will buy from the store to sew pants for them, that's how I'm going to go through my thread to see the colors that I'm going to, the thread color that I'm going to use to sew them. And that's how I pick my thread for sewing our clothing. Thank you. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments. And we thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiabi Liberman, cross of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in our self.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways you can save money and different ways you can make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. and sewing your own clothes is one way to save money. Thank you.